Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Chainlink, a groundbreaking blockchain platform that's reshaping how blockchains connect with real-world data. Imagine blockchains as isolated walled gardens. Chainlink serves as the bridge connecting these gardens to the bustling outside world. Let's put it this way. Blockchains excel at securely processing and storing data, but they lack the ability to access external information independently. This is where Chainlink steps in, acting as a decentralized oracle network that fetches, verifies, and delivers data to smart contracts. Chainlink bridges the gap, ensuring that blockchains can interact with the external world effectively. In this video, we'll explore Chainlink's white paper, analyze how it functions, and understand its pivotal role in enabling blockchain-powered applications like DeFi, insurance, and gaming. Chainlink, launched in 2017 by Sergey Nazarov and Steve Ellis, addresses one of the blockchain industry's greatest challenges, the oracle problem. The oracle problem refers to the difficulty of securely connecting smart contracts to external data sources. Smart contracts, self-executing agreements, are like advanced computers stuck inside a bubble, unable to access external information. Chainlink shatters that bubble by acting as the bridge between blockchains and real-world data. Chainlink's mission is simple but revolutionary: to become the universal standard for connecting blockchains to real-world information. Whether it's weather updates, stock prices, or IoT device data, Chainlink aims to be the Internet's trusted data courier, delivering verified information exactly when and where it's needed. So, how does Chainlink work? At its core, Chainlink operates as a decentralized oracle network that links smart contracts with external data. Here's a breakdown of its process in 3 simple steps. 1. A smart contract sends a data request to the Chainlink network. Think of this as asking a librarian to find a specific book for you. 2. Chainlink nodes fetch the requested data from external sources such as APIs, databases, or IoT devices. These nodes verify the data for reliability, acting like expert librarians double-checking their research. 3. The verified, aggregated data is then delivered back to the smart contract, enabling it to execute accurately. Picture a librarian returning with a meticulously vetted stack of books. Chainlink also incentivizes accuracy through its token-based system. Nodes earn link tokens for providing reliable data and face penalties for delivering false information. It's a system built on rewarding honesty and punishing deceit, ensuring high-quality data. What sets Chainlink apart in the blockchain world? Its unique ability to provide secure, reliable, and decentralized data feeds. Let's highlight 2 key strengths. First, Chainlink's decentralized nature ensures no single entity controls the network, eliminating risks of central points of failure. Data remains trustworthy and tamper-proof, an essential feature in blockchain applications. Second, Chainlink's versatility supports a wide array of use cases. From delivering real-time price feeds for DeFi platforms to enabling weather-based insurance payouts, Chainlink proves indispensable across industries. Imagine Chainlink as a Swiss Army knife for blockchains, a multi-purpose tool equipped for almost any challenge. Chainlink's capabilities make it a vital component in the growing crypto ecosystem, driving innovations in DeFi, gaming, insurance, and beyond. By bridging the gap between blockchains and real-world data, it's setting the stage for a future where smart contracts can interact seamlessly with the outside world. Third, Chainlink's reputation system plays a pivotal role in ensuring the quality of its data. Nodes are evaluated and ranked based on their reliability, accuracy, and performance, fostering a competitive environment where only the best-performing nodes thrive. This system is essential for maintaining trust in the network and ensuring the delivery of high-quality data to smart contracts. By incentivizing top-tier performance, Chainlink sets a high standard for the entire Oracle ecosystem. While Chainlink has reached impressive milestones, It faces a set of challenges that could influence its growth trajectory. Let's delve into these obstacles in greater detail. First, there's competition. Chainlink isn't the sole Oracle solution in the blockchain space. Competitors like Band Protocol and API3 are also striving to capture a significant portion of the Oracle market. These rivals are continuously innovating and expanding their offerings, which pushes Chainlink to remain at the forefront of technological advancements. Chainlink's ability to outpace its competitors will determine its dominance in this rapidly evolving market. Second, scalability presents another hurdle. As the demand for Oracle services continues to grow exponentially, Chainlink must ensure its network infrastructure can handle the increasing workload without compromising efficiency or reliability. Achieving seamless scalability is crucial for maintaining user trust and supporting the ever-expanding blockchain ecosystem. Third, adoption is a key factor in Chainlink's long-term success. Although Chainlink has already secured integration with numerous major platforms, its future hinges on the continued adoption of its technology by developers and enterprises worldwide. Building awareness, simplifying integration, and showcasing the benefits of Chainlink will be critical in driving widespread adoption. Finally, there's the issue of dependency. As Chainlink becomes an indispensable component of blockchain applications, some critics raise concerns about the risks of over-reliance on a single Oracle network. A heavy dependency could potentially create vulnerabilities in the broader blockchain ecosystem. Chainlink must address these concerns by continuing to innovate and diversify its solutions to maintain its leadership position. Despite these challenges, Chainlink's future shines brightly. With ongoing innovations and a flourishing ecosystem, it is poised to remain a trailblazer in the Oracle space. Chainlink is also expanding its horizons by exploring new use cases. Beyond powering DeFi, it's branching into areas like climate data and smart city initiatives. Imagine a future where Chainlink oracles facilitate automated traffic management, optimize carbon credit markets, and enable seamless communication across IoT devices. The possibilities are boundless as Chainlink evolves to meet the demands of a rapidly digitizing world. One of the most exciting developments on the horizon is staking. By allowing Link token holders to stake their tokens, Chainlink is creating opportunities for enhanced community participation and network security. Staking not only provides rewards for participants, but also strengthens the decentralized nature of the Chainlink ecosystem, ensuring its long-term sustainability. Chainlink's focus on enterprise adoption is another significant factor shaping its future. Collaborations with industry giants like Google and Oracle showcase its potential to bring blockchain technology into mainstream industries. These partnerships are just the beginning of what could be a transformative journey for Chainlink as it bridges traditional systems with decentralized solutions. In conclusion, Chainlink is far more than just another cryptocurrency project. It represents a foundational piece of infrastructure for the blockchain world. By addressing the Oracle problem, Chainlink is empowering smart contracts to access and utilize real-world data, unlocking a myriad of possibilities across industries. Challenges such as competition, scalability, and dependency may persist, but Chainlink's relentless innovation and expanding ecosystem position it as a cornerstone of the decentralized future. Whether you're a developer building the next big blockchain application, an investor seeking transformative technologies, or a blockchain enthusiast exploring the space, Chainlink is a project that deserves your attention. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of Chainlink's white paper, challenges, and future potential. If you found this discussion insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into cryptocurrency and blockchain innovations. See you next time.